Jazz Blast. We find the middle C position. Now there's a black key, which is a C minor. And you have cross to beyond C is B flat. You have to lean on your C to be able to cross the B flat. We start from left hand, fifth, right hand E flat, and tap. And all the running notes become swing, which we call it dua. Ready, set, go from E, C, E, 1 and 4, G, go down, cross the B flat, back to your E, C, E, G, sharp your F sharp, E, go down, tap, rest, rest, to F sharp, so G, move your half hand to G, go up. Slow version. Fast version.